Have you ever noticed that websites seem to go down for midnight maintenance or hit a technical error at the most inconvenient times? Like right when you've got a juicy 30% off coupon code you're itching to use? It's not just bad luck, and you're not going crazy. There's a subtle, almost invisible marketing tactic at play here. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on the midnight maintenance. So picture this. You've spent an hour, maybe more, carefully curating your online shopping cart. You've found the perfect items, you've checked the reviews, and you're ready to make it official. You go to your cart, feeling that little thrill of a good deal coming your way. You click to apply your coupon code, and bam! Technical error. Please try again later. Or maybe it's a pop-up saying, we're currently experiencing issues. For a smoother experience, please proceed with guest checkout. You think, okay, fine, a little glitch, no big deal. I'll just use guest checkout. So you click the button, we enter your shipping details, and then you get to the payment page. You look around for the coupon code box. And it's gone. Vanished. Nowhere to be found. The guest checkout system, conveniently, doesn't support discount codes. Now what? This is where the psychological magic, or manipulation, depending on how you see it, really kicks in. You've already invested so much time and emotional energy into this purchase. You've mentally committed. You've pictured these items in your life. The thought of starting all over again, or worse, losing out on the items if they sell out, is incredibly frustrating. You're annoyed, you're tired, and your desire for the items is at its peak. This frustration is a powerful motivator. The company is banking on a psychological principle called the sunk cost fallacy. You've already sunk time and effort into the process, so abandoning it feels like a waste. Your brain tells you, I've come this far, I can't turn back now. The retailer knows that a significant percentage of people, when faced with this manufactured obstacle, will sigh, grumble, and just pay the full price. The desire to complete the task and get that dopamine hit from a successful purchase often outweighs the desire to save money. So what's really happening? Is the site actually crashing? Probably not. More likely, it's a carefully designed user experience path. They might intentionally disable the coupon functionality for certain user segments or during specific times. The guest checkout option isn't a helpful workaround. It's the trap. It is a funnel designed to steer you away from your discount and towards their full margin price point. It's brilliant, it's sneaky, and it's incredibly effective. Let's break down the 4 key steps of this strategy. First, you, the eager shopper, add your desired items to the cart. You're invested. Second, the website manufactures a technical error. It's vague, it's temporary, and it blames technology, not the company. This makes you less likely to be angry at the brand itself. Third, they offer a solution, the guest checkout. This feels like they're helping you, but it's a detour that leads directly to their preferred outcome. The crucial feature, the coupon code box, is conspicuously absent. And fourth, the final step. You, feeling a mix of frustration, urgency, and resignation, decide to just complete the purchase at full price. You wanted the items, and the path of least resistance is now to pay more. Congratulations, you've just experienced the midnight maintenance. So how can you fight back? The most powerful tool you have is patience. The moment you see that error message, take a deep breath and step away. Don't fall for the guest checkout trick. Instead, take a screenshot of your cart and the error message. Then, close the tab. Wait an hour, or even until the next day. More often than not, when you return, the technical error will have magically fixed itself, and the coupon code box will be right where it's supposed to be. Another strategy is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try shopping in an incognito window. Sometimes these systems use cookies to track your behavior and trigger these errors. Starting fresh can reset the system and allow you to use your code. If that doesn't work, contact customer service. Be polite but firm. Send them your screenshot and explain the situation. Say something like, "I was trying to make a purchase with this coupon code, but I encountered a technical error. Could you help me apply the discount?" Most companies, when called out directly, will honor the discount to maintain good customer relations. They're counting on you not to make the effort. It's also worth noting that this isn't just about coupons. This tactic can be used in other ways. Have you ever seen a limited time offer that seems to have a glitchy countdown timer? Or a low stock warning that suddenly appears when you hesitate? These are all designed to create a sense of urgency and scarcity, pushing you to make an impulsive decision without fully thinking it through. They are playing on your fear of missing out, or FOMO. The goal is always the same: to short-circuit your rational brain and get you to act on emotion. Understanding these psychological tricks is the first step to becoming a smarter shopper. When you recognize the pattern, the sudden error, the convenient but limited alternative, you can see it for what it is: a sales tactic, not a technical failure. Don't let manufactured frustration dictate your spending. The best deals go to those who are patient and persistent. Remember, the power is in your hands, or rather, in your willingness to simply close the browser and wait. Don't let the midnight maintenance steal your savings. Thank you so much for watching. If you've ever run into a mysterious website crash right when you had a coupon, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the psychology of marketing. See you in the next one.